Celebrate the mothers in your life and make a beautiful Mother's Day brunch invitation with Simplified. From our design templates, you can search Mother's Day to browse our professionally designed templates to help you get a jump start on your invitation card. Once you've found a design that you like, simply select it and a new artboard will open on a new tab. You can use our design tools to personalize your card, like adding a photo directly from your device or using our media icon to browse Simplified's fantastic library of photos. Once you've found a photo that you love, simply select it. And I'm going to use this tool here to set this photo as my background. If you're sending an evite, you can use this icon here to animate your artboard in just one click. You can even add audio to bring your evite to life. When you're finished with your design, simply use this export button in the upper right-hand corner, download as a PNG or as a video if you added animation or music, and then click Export Now to download directly to your device to email, print, or share on social media. With Simplified, you can share your love and celebrate with friends and family for an amazing Mother's Day. To use our design tools and more, sign up on simplified.com. See you there.